Hi guys, welcome back to Paper Confessions with Karamia. It is Friendship Friday hosted by Dale from Not Too Shabby Chic. I have some happy rack mail. This comes from another dear crafty friend, MJ Reyes. Her channel is My Paper Journey, MJ Reyes. So let's have a look. Again, MJ, thank you very much. Oh my gosh. Look at what she's included here. If you're not familiar with her channel, like Dale, she is the queen of vintage shabby chic themed crafting. I love her creations. I love her recent tutorials where she showed bead caps. You have to see it. But this is packed with so many goodies. Let's take them out and start seeing what's in here. First up, look at this cute container with this adorable topper. Oh my gosh, MJ, if you see my craft room, the theme is shabby chic and vintage and thrifted, and I see all these gorgeousness here. She had done a tutorial with these photographs using a clear wax seal stamp. I mean, look at that amazing layering and the image and the embellishing. This is so pretty, and what a fun way to use your book pages. And in here, I can see that we have some trim. So let's go ahead and open this up. This is amazing, and I cannot wait to add this to my table. So first, she's made me this gorgeous snippet. I love it. MJ has been really supportive of so many channels here in our creative community. Oh my gosh. This is so inspiring. She has decoupaged some napkin. Look at that beautiful trim, and with the flower, paper flower. I can't even think. This is twine. It's an adorable pocket. There is her maker's mark. And inside, let's see what's in here. There's a bunch of goodies. Oh my gosh, look at these. There are fabric pieces that she's slow stitched. And then you can hang it on your journals. Oh my gosh, guys, you have to check out her channel. She has amazing content, is always sharing some new ideas and actually doing craft with me. And I just love it. Super inspiring. Look at all these cut aparts that she shared with me. I love it. I cannot wait to put these all to good use. Oh my gosh. Thank you very much. In addition, look at the way she has done these trims. I love it. Look at how cute that is. I love almost like the cotton candy colors, which is perfect for our summer crafting. We have some seam binding, again, perfect for the summer. Oh, I love this one. This is gorgeous. Is there another? Oh, there's a print on this one. Just wanted to show you that. How pretty is that? Super generous. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much, MJ. And this is nice and soft. I'll have to find out where she got these digitals. These are really gorgeous. So we have that and this gorgeous little container, which I will put right over here so you can see the design. There is more. Here it is. I found the letter. It is a belated happy birthday rack mail. Look at this gorgeous card she made with the doggies. She knows I love dogs. We have a cute little butterfly. So let me read this off camera real quick. So MJ says, happy birthday, sweet Kara. Sorry for the late wishes. May God bless you with many more to celebrate. I've enclosed a few little things for you. Oh my gosh, MJ, there's so much. And I guess better late than never, she said. I hope you like what I sent you. I appreciate our friendship, your talent that's full of inspiration. You're one thoughtful and sweet and creative friend. Much love, hugs. MJ Reyes, oh my gosh. This is so sweet. I love it. There is more in here, guys. I don't know which one to pick, so I'm just going to go ahead and pick one. Forgive me, guys, if I sound nasally. Oh my God, I'm about to sneeze. My nasal allergies have been really bad this season. Look at this drawstring bag. Oh my gosh. MJ, did you make this? This is super cute. What is in here? It's like a cute little treasure box. Oh my gosh. How fun are these? These are super fun to use in our ATC cards, and MJ has shown so many ways on how to make those. So thank you so much for sharing so many with me. Thanks so much. The next one in this dyed little envelope, it says happy birthday. Let's see what's in here. Oh my goodness, she shared some of this gorgeous faux pearl trim, but we have this beautiful wax seal and it has a bird. Oh my gosh, I love birds. That is, why is it not focusing? There it is. That is just precious. Thank you very much. Oh my gosh. And then, oh, how cute. Let me take it out of the bag real quick. Look at this. It's a Hello Kitty happy birthday sticker book. Oh my gosh. Sorry about the exclamation there. I love Sanrio and I'm definitely going to share this with my kids. This is super adorable. There are so many different kinds in here. So I'm going to be including this in my sticker book. I'll have different themes, so I'm definitely going to be able to use that. But there is more. She's also shared some refreshing foot masks, and this is definitely needed at the end of the day, so I am going to make sure that I use that. So thank you for that. My gosh, there's so much more. Okay, here's one that she featured in the Give a Scrap collaboration, and it was upcycling these empty medicine bottles. Look at what she made. It's a cute little container for your embellishments. Again, she's done some decoupaging on old book pages. We have our trim and then flowers on the top of the cap. She's done a beautiful job here of these beautiful images of flowers and butterflies. Let's open it up and see what's inside. Oh my gosh, I think we have a wonderful variety of trims. What a great way to package your gifts. Here is some of these green ones. Wow. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? And then more. I am going to take them out. Oh, this is so creative. I just love it, MJ. Look at that. We got these adorable pom-poms. We have some neutral trims. Love it. Look at this one. That's really pretty. Oh, I love this color. And this one has a little bit of shimmer in it. Really gorgeous. Again, what a great way to upcycle some of your empty bottles at home and reuse it for storage. So I'm going to put that right there. And this box is just filled with so many goodies. Look at this. I don't know what it is, but I felt a handle. Oh my gosh. MJ, what is this? Oh my gosh, look at the way she's beautifully wrapped this. So let us open it up. We have some of these cute bulb pins, which I will definitely reuse for my dangles. Oh my goodness. I think I'm just going to slip it out because, oh my gosh, no way. Oh my gosh, MJ, this is too much. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh, I'm just in awe of what you've shared with me. Look at this. Where did you get this? Oh my gosh, oh my goodness. I do not have a lot of Poke tools. I only have one that was gifted to me by Dale. And I have another one. I'm trying to think. I may have two or another one that I got from MJ if I'm not mistaken, but I just love this so much. Look at how elegant that looks. My camera is not focusing, but there's something in here. But again, look at this bag. These are my favorite colors. We have the blues and the golds. Oh my gosh. I am definitely going to use this on an evening out. I love that. Really cute. And it looks like it has a chain handle. This is too cute. Oh wait, there's another one in here. Oh, it's a really long one, and I love that. That is perfect. Really, really. Wow. Oh my gosh. And she has gifted me this beautiful trim. How awesome is that to put in a shabby chic themed journal? Oh my gosh. Thank you so much. Oh my goodness. Now here is another example of just the talent she has, like transforming again something that would have essentially gone into the trash or recycling bin, upcycled it and made it look into this adorable, delightful little storage container. Here's the top part. She's also put some on the bottom here. So let's open it up. My goodness, more goodies in here. What is this? Beautiful washi. Oh my gosh, just a tin can filled with treasures. Oh my gosh, you know me so well. I love all the shades of blue. Look at that. Oh, it's giving me Alice in Wonderland vibes. And then we have our cute little bow, butterfly looking paper clips. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. She's also gifted me this wonderful paper snippet. Now all I have to do is decorate it. I love it. I have the base, and she's also distressed it or coffee dyed it. That is amazing. It looks like it has other prints here, so look at that. How awesome is that? This is just amazing. Oh, I love the gold foil there at the ends, or the gold wax gilding. How fun is this? Oh my gosh. Wow, MJ, I am just blown away. And then we have more goodies in here. Be Bright Skin, and this is something I definitely use. It has vitamin C. I am definitely going to try that out too on the weekend. More, more, more. Oh my gosh. Look at the way she's delicately packaged this. I just love it. Gorgeous trim. It looks like it has some tea dyeing in there. Let's see what she has within. Oh my gosh, are these crocheted flowers? Oh my gosh, more of the gorgeous. Look at this. How would that, oh my gosh, just beautiful. Isn't that just fun? I love the way you've decorated that with the image within. And then she mentioned that she used to make a lot of these crocheted flowers, and she has shared them with me. I love pink as well, and we have some white ones there. Oh my goodness. And she has shared more of these beautiful wax seal embellishments, little snippets, fabric snippets, and look at that. Fringe, just gorgeous. Oh my gosh, I love this. It's a flapper girl image. Oh my gosh, MJ, I love Audrey Hepburn. She shared an Audrey Hepburn one. Oh my gosh, I'm super, super, wow, touched and just overwhelmed by all the goodies that you've included. That's super thoughtful. And oh my gosh, I love this. That is just amazing. Let me put those right there. And we have this beautiful trim that I can use. Oh my gosh. It took so much time and love just to put a box like this for Happy Meal. That takes a lot of time. You are so, so thoughtful. Oh my goodness. Thank you. She's also included a colored pencil art in a tin can. And this is so much fun to use when you travel. So thank you for sharing that. I'm definitely going to share that with my kids. And oh my goodness, look at what she shared. I love tea time. Does she know me or what? This is just too much. I am just really, really super, super touched. I love it. Thank you very much. Oh my gosh. MJ, you are so sweet. I mean, really, you're so sweet. You're this. She sent another. I saw somebody, Mystical Misty, I believe, had received one for her birthday as well, and uh, I'm just blown away by your generosity. Oh my goodness, super sweet. Like, look at this. We can use this for an Alice in Wonderland themed. I love it. I've never seen napkins that look like that. And we got the birds. Oh my gosh, these are just precious. Look at those colors. Just amazing. Oh my gosh. I'm Oh wow, yeah. Thank you. Thank you very much for this. There's one more item at the bottom of the box. And look at this. What a wonderful piece that I am definitely going to put on a journal. This box is filled with so much creative inspiration and speaks so much about MJ. She is such an inspiring crafter and creator here on YouTube. I hope you guys can show her some love and check out her content. She is just amazing. And again, super generous friend. She has been truly very supportive of so many channels, not just mine, but other channels as well. And I'm so glad I met you through Dale from Not Too Shabby Chic. And oh my gosh, you are just amazing. Again, MJ, sending you big warm hugs across the screen. I will be messaging you soon. Thank you so much, sweet friend. Guys, have a wonderful weekend. Thanks again for watching. I'll see you. Bye.